It's Alana from Under the Influence. We are attempting to go fishing in Nagambie at Kerwin's Bridge, but we got the boat ready, went to unload it, and then realised that we did not have a winch handle. So we're currently driving through Nagambie trying to find anywhere that might have something that we can use as a makeshift winch handle, which is proving difficult because it's Saturday, it's 5:22 and everything is closed. So yeah, wish us luck. What do you know? I think you might have got something. Did you win?
$20 fucking dollars.
Really?
For this. I don't even, like, it's not ideal, but
Will it work?
it'll work.
Or are we gonna end up with our boat stranded?
No, it'll work. The worst case scenario is you've got to get the boat as high on the trailer without needing to winch it.
Yeah.
And we just need to winch it that last little bit.
Yeah.
Now let's see if there's a boat ramp at this end of town, I suppose.
We have found a boat ramp. We're going to attempt to use the shifter to undo the boat. Grumpy, grumpy, grumpy. How many fish were there in that spot?
None.
None?
They saw us coming. Hey?
Yeah. Finally!
We go, first one in Nagambie today after all the challenges of today. A bit more decent than the other ones you caught the other day.
Yeah. I wonder how big he is. Oh, there goes my beer.
Is it empty, like
Yeah.
lid on?
33?
34.
34? Yeah. Not bad, not bad. Name's Fred?
Fred.
Yeah,
In
Fred.
the fish.
Alright. So Nagambie hasn't been very kind to us.
No, not really. We've got one fish. We got here, as you probably know already, we got here and forgot the little windy thing to undo the winch and wind the winch. So we went to unload the boat and realised we didn't have that, therefore we couldn't get the boat off. So I spent $20 on this baby shifter. We don't even know if it's going to work yet. That's the truth. Oh yeah, I got the boat off. But...
So you didn't test it?
Eh?
You didn't test it?
Yeah, I used it in order to... Where's the camera?
Yeah.
Still recording?
I think so.
Yeah.
Oh, look. Oh, oh, it snapped the line.
Did it?
Yeah.
That was a big fish.
Look, it snapped it entirely.
I don't even know how much of that I actually managed to record.
I don't know. Wow.
That was a big fish. I don't know if it would come up on the sounder. No.
Holy shit.
That was massive. Did you see that? Did you see your rod bend?
Yeah.
It was in half. Like it actually bent in half.
Unreal. It like it snapped the line. There's no knot there or anything.
Yep.
Wow. Alright.
Okay, and just because we're learning, I think next time you get a massive fish or a big fish like that, don't reef, just tire it out.
Yeah.
Tire it out because it's just going to do that.
That's rookies.
So I guess that, because that's 20-pound line.
Yeah.
And it broke
Chomped
20-pound
through
line.
it.